What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to change the screen recorder selfie video size to make it smaller or larger in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, scroll down and click on screenshots and screen recordings, and then scroll down and here you will see a selfie video size slider. So if you want to make the selfie recorder video size smaller, then drag the slider to the left side, and if you want to make the selfie video size larger, then drag the slider to the right side. So with this slider you can make the selfie video size smaller or larger in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.